At the pond's edge, Tommy the turtle inches forward, a stark contrast to the swift movements of rabbits and ducks. Their laughter echoes around him, mocking his pace. Overwhelmed, Tommy retreats into his shell, a picture of dejection. A sudden gust of wind throws nature into chaos as Pip falls from its nest into the pond. Panic erupts among the animals as they run around in circles, unsure how to help. Tommy watches Pip struggle helplessly. Ignoring the chaos, I calmly enter the pond. I swim slowly and deliberately toward the shivering bird. I reach Pip and gently nudge him onto my shell. Tommy swims steadily toward the shore, carrying Pip safely on his shell, a testament to his unexpected strength. The other animals watch in amazement, their earlier taunts now replaced with cheers of admiration. Reaching the shore, Tommy gently helps Pip off his shell, completing his heroic rescue. Days later, surrounded by newfound respect and kindness, I smile, no longer just the slow turtle. Pip chirps happily from atop my shell, celebrating the brave little hero of the pond.